daka jing sarong Kren English Umethodius Dkhar Shahlang om kaliang persyak Henry nga percaya pi menta ki pajba ki bapet je kana ka video menta om dai ba Umethodius Dkhar Ukren daka jing sarong haba Kren English kumbal sya keno Henry Ukren khnang ya ktien English khnang baki Garo kindup sngew namar baki Garo kim sngew ya ktien khasi Barla Kren dak ktien English bala translate ru syak ktien Garo bat om tang ba Ukren dak ktien English Henry Ukren ru dak ktien khasi bat translate ru syak ktien Garo sngew papej hadu dekut ya kan ka video
kam don kijing perkhat namta kinang rap kibai kijongi namar kata mangi kum kayu dipi jang motion road circle ngidon ya kajong i bar kajing kerman ke baskam bau barit Methodius Dkhar un lecture assembly on tang ban lum spa lane ban songkop henrai bau ni ya keren ya kita kijing alor kitu kinong rim kibanga ngala nyew nganam sheme kapo ngatip bamapi paro pikwa ya kata kijing kala bat haswa bangan song lalapi menjur ban nga bangin kwa ya kata kijing kala sya kijing pa baka khai ka pateng ka jongi kan long no ka balai loj bagi noi kai ki bai ki jongi bakin nom thia srok sho ba ki kontraktor ki baret ke baria lane ki kam ki jam ki badai hok jongi on yo bai da baro hala ki jong ki sap tongin yaong lang laisin laiwa housing 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 kublai sipon kublai cejar ngo kublai kurkoi
sipon ba en ko par yaufno ubadu president jongka UDP Motion Road Unit temo namar bomnya de jingmut le se haying asem kadon hi kaying kasem kaba ya pa ya pra kumta kublai sipon nakiying kisem kibay apa ya pra ni nakaying ka access BDP ni pedang sofa ya pi barung sakaying jongi kan ban long ba ngam la ban translate ni fi nilai mo tharai wan mama XMDC jong ni rong ala aisinal ya nga dengan kod ya iba heredik sangma uday u headman jong karyang dim bangi kod urang ba snong jong kasnong reng dim hose wah cipa bikna ya ne हाँ हाउसिंग ना खासे जाना हाउसिंग ना काम चट्टा काम चट्टा राइट काम चट जाओ दे लाइना म मिरोंग रंगको नाकाम रंगको या नंगनी खारी रंगको बा प्रेम mana ya misu samjak gema kot काम चट्टा बा ya ndake ni bayo ancang belsi prako ai belsi bola prako dengtang ancang ni sibon ya pi baro ko wat nam lek thok yau kan diet jong ne barit mi thok ula yo dam kan diet bobyang ba long pit ku mu am le barim kenu ting ka kli slen ka jing start ro ka byang ma housing sngew thang bang china sngew thang bang china housing Chairman, good evening to each and every one of you. Kublai sibun chairman of peniat kene program ne ga no pynsngew nadu mane mastem hadu mata ga janmin ai kublai kiri urang ba kibudan menta hang ne kinong yalam jong ka party nganam jau kerteng karengan ai kublai ya baro ki pajba kiba kamtam ki party leader kibudan menta hang ne ki jong ka party HSPDP nga ai kublai ru yakini ki pawai ki party nagaleon jong ka party UDP PDF kiba wan ban Christian ya ka party HSPDP hagan ne ga kanti arajar apoli I will say thank you to the team of the BJP and under the leadership of Mr. Pistus Sangma for coming forward and support the HSPDP party and support me as the candidate of HSPDP. Thank you very much. Welcome to the house. Welcome to our team, to each and every member of your family and each and every member of your team. Thank you very much, sir. And ngapnya subhaya pi baro nadu menem step ngilaya etik procession ngilaya sultanan kadai ka jingjob ka jung upajba no mo shudun ngai kublaya baro ki nong song sinong ki bawan na ki polling baper ki badai ki nong kit kam jong ka party HSPDP bat ki badai ru ki nong kit kam jong ki wei ki party ki balawan ban kersan yang kumukani din bat ki balawan ban kersan yang ka party HSPDP kublai sibun ya pi baro ngam do nei ke ban ai andre tang ka jing duai ban tang ka jing kit bo kirwiang nam ta jong pi baro ba pinyo ya ka met ka bakot ka bakhia bat pin yo snam go jing jom ka jing thrang go jong pi nam ta arajar pulai unlong ka jing jom. More importantly, I would say thank you to my Garo team. Thank you to the heading and the team. Thank you, my Garo friends who had come from Riangdim, who had come from Nongshram, who had come from Kalu, who had come from Jilru Nyangbrang, and support the party HSPDP at this moment. Thank you very much. May God bless you. I promise that I will work hard how to uplift the life of the people and the life of the villagers in this area.
Anga kura chaka, anga rakke kam kagen, mai deke, ancingi songadam no kadam ko tangduat naman gen, anga rakke kam kagen.
I promise that I will work hand in hand with the headman. We will work hard to uplift the whole constituency and especially this area. In the last 5 years, we have not seen in our village the MLA or the MDC. I think you might have not seen him also in your village in the last 5 years. You have neither seen the MDC nor the MLA, but though he is staying just next to your door. I stay far from you, but I'll make sure that I'll meet you and I'll come and meet you in your village. The full information has been always passed to different area and to each and everyone that Methodius will create a problem or will stop the koila business.
Unigiman, ya koila ni bidungo, koila ni bading chuala ni bidungo. Yani gaman, haida depan parti nang diakan abdungen, barit meto mai bejokode, cejokode, yarang kuba biya mai bagen bon kagen ba agana.
But I promise you, the party promise you, and I promise you that we will never disturb the smooth operation and the smooth functioning of for the traders who are involving in coal business.
Unigiman, jerangan bading chuala ni rang, yarang ni gaman tang manca, naismani koilarong churang ni gaman, yarang ni gaman naismang, ang mamang saloba, naismani makango chatting yakannya, mamang saloba, ang yarang ni gaman naismang ko disturb kajawa ni yakannya.
I promise you that if there is any problem that you are facing from the department, I will stand for you.
Andi ba may ba naismani tang department rango, may ba naismani ni kani dunggen semude, ang naismang baksa chatting gen.
Misleading and don't believe this false information that has been passed around by this other party.
Ya onggija wiatanirang ko, onggija naismang na, onggija katarang ko naismang na jingjingatinga, naismang yerang ni gaman masisat nambe, yerang naismang masisat nambe, naismang masisat nambe, mana yerang ni onggija ka ba information rang wa.
So I'm telling you this time, you don't elect a candidate who is a coal business.
Uni gaman naismang, yan nakapa, naismang na kaniya, naismang, andike koila business kagba candidate rang ko, naismang namnak nambe.
Because he will know each and everything from where you get the coal, how much you get the benefit, and what is your profit margin.
Mana iya mandira, koila ni gaman gemag kon iya mandira siya ni gaman. Baita na ismang ni makani.
as an MLA, I am not involving in any coal business. I will not understand how to take out your profit.
Andi ba nga? Di koilani gaman di ang maksija. Aro ye koila baksa di ang mamang jak dongja. Uni gaman na isimang ang na jak ungen cemude ang nami na isimang baksa cancirumgen aro kam kagen.
Whatever the profit you are getting, that will be yours.
Andi ba?
But whatever the problem you are facing, I promise you that I will stand with you.
Andi ba?
Balay kitip chpang ka Shahlang, namar ba ka spa ka po, but ka business kami nang ne lengbaw doyong ki motion but kiway ki marpo kadaw ki papaw ha jo gani ko dong. Kinong haye doyong baret pinum don kamshu ban up ya ka jing control jo gimalik ki bahe handai pi kinong haye doyong ki baret pila ban kundu hidala de mar khaman ya ki businessman ki bawan na kiway ki jaka but pinyo ya kodor ka ba kambit ka ba kambyang but ka ba kambang yo bangidon sa ko opposition laneng inomla man trekam handai laneng idon marway ro ngin yang apo assembly apo secretariat banyak Kren namta ka khia ka syon jong ka dong ka than ba namta ki pajba jong ka constituency
Uni gaman na isimang jadring nambe na isimang ken nambe na isimang jadring nambe na isimang ken nambe ya dak majuani rang banga uni gaman ya rang na ken nambe Cinga opposition role jawa, cinga ruling chi napgen.
wanom sa thien yo pisa penlong mrau
Na isimang tangka paisa chi. Sauba na isimang ko tangka paisa chi na natunggen. Unigaman na isimang no call ungaku mangen. Unigaman ancing de mandesa tangka paisa nigaman. Matpuru nang ko sa tangka paisa chira. Unigaman mande ko de tangka paisa chira aja. Ancing ko tangka paisa chira ode ancing no call ungen.
aya ka pu jong pi da ka hok ka HSPDP kan sensya da ka hok but kan ai biang ya ka hok ka jong pi
Na isimang ni botko na isimang kakep aro bebeo HSPP party na unbo aro HSPP ni party ba kakep aro bebeo na isimang na
Sinong
kakep
Shahlang kadai ka sinong ba pau ha ka perthai hi apa agari India barok ka wei kanong Shahlang kala de bandon kiwei ki jaka ban pen pau nam shu ya kan ka sinong ka jongi namar ba ka Shahlang kumbang ilap tim kadai ka business center habaro kan ka dong ka than ka jongi
Unigaman ia calang song ko de blongen mengsinga ia calang biap ko de ia ancing calang biap ko de blongen mengsinga agal sak gemak nan mengsinga Unigaman ia mengsinga ni gaman dengtang manca ya dengtang sistem de ke mengsinga ni unang gencam
But balay kitip chipang ka Shahlang namar ba ka spa ka po but ka business kami nang ne lengbaw doyong ki motion but kiway ki marpo kadaw ki papaw ha jo gani ka dong ka than
Mai ni gaman ia calang biap ko gemak agal sak gemakan mai singa mai ni gaman mai na
haringi susi pade bang itip ya ka sinong Shahlang batang kala jero kambet kambiang handai nalor pa ka sinong ka papaw nam kadai ru ka sinong jong MLA
Andi ba ia songa sani song cumuta ira songra mengseng ke pa songra sani song MLA ni unga ba sitting MLA ni song wa cemba
ka sinong Shahlang katne ka spa ka po ka bangidon ngila dai bandon ka government kala dai bandon kumno ka way ka circuit house ka babit ka babiang ka jingyo nong kande ya pi ki try quarry ya pi kinong khaye doyong namar ba kadar kan sayat ka ba kambet bat ka ba kamhe bat ka ba kambiang kinong khaye doyong baret pinum don kamshu ban up ya ka jing control jo gimalik gibahe handai pi kinong khaye doyong gibaret pila ban kundu hidala de mar khaman ya ki businessman ki bawan na kiwei ki jaka bat pinyo ya kador ka ba kambet ka ba kambiang bat ka ba kamha
Housing. Kublai sipon, kublai cedarmu, kublai kurkoi.